Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing good. Students, now we will start our unit number 3, which is fractions. First of all, you will learn about what is fraction. Basically, fraction is a division between any two numbers, like 5 over 7 or 5 by 7. So the number which is written at the upper side, it will called as numerator, and the number below the line or below the sign of over or division, it will be your denominator. 5 is numerator and 7 is denominator. So we have a figure in which we are given with 7 equal parts. 7 parts, total parts are 7 and color parts are 5. So what would be the fraction? Fraction would be 5 over 7. Like you gain marks in a test 8. So 8 is numerator and 10 is denominator. From 10 you got 8 marks. So the fraction will be 8 by 10. So you can say that a fraction is actually the division between two numbers in which upper number is numerator and the down number written in the downward form or written down. So it will be your denominator. Now moving towards exercise 1 from page number 28. We have first fraction. Add the following fractions with whole numbers. So you have to add both. So let's have a look. Students, now what should you do here? Whenever you have to add a whole number in a fraction, in the very first step you have to write 1 as a denominator in the whole number part. So you will write over 1 by 8. Understand? So first step we have, you write 1 in the denominator of whole number. In the second step, first fraction will be the same, and the second fraction with the 1 in denominator you have to multiply with the other denominator. Means you have to multiply 8 with 11 and you have to multiply 1 with 11. Both numbers will multiply with the other denominator. So it will become 10 over 11 plus 11 8s are 88 and 1 11s are 11. Basically you have to make the denominators same to make the addition easier. So you have to write 11 one time and denominators will be as it is. So you will add 10 plus 88, it will becomes 98 and the fraction will be 98 over 11. So what would be the resultant of the addition of a fraction and a whole number? The fraction is 10 by 11 and the whole number is 8 and the resultant will be 98 by 11. Now moving towards part B, we have 9 by 16 plus 3. In the very first step, what you have to do, you have to write 1 in the denominator of whole number. So you will write 1 over there. Next 9 by 16 will be as it is plus. What would be the number to multiply with 3 and 1? The other denominator, which is 16. So 16 will multiply with 3 as well as with 1. So 9 by 16 plus 16 3s are 48 and 16 1s are 16. Now we have both same denominators. So you will write denominator once and add the numerators. 9 plus 48. It will become 57 by 16. Students, now in next part we have 4 by 5 plus 6. So very first step would be the 1 in denominator of whole number. So you will write 1 over 6. So in next step you have to multiply the whole number with the other denominator. Means you have to multiply 6 with 5 and 1 with 5. So you will get 4 by 5 plus 6 5s are 30 and 1 5s are 5. Now you will get both same denominators, which is 5. So you will write 5 once and then add both the numerators, which are 4 plus 30. And then 4 plus 30 will gives us 34 by 5. Hope you understand how can we add a fraction and a whole number. So you have to practice these 3 questions and we will discuss next 3 questions in our next lecture. Do practice these questions also. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.